Hello once again. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can install this ink circulation system on your own. So it's a complete DIY. We have started making these ink circulation systems, a complete metal body. It's a very heavy attachment for your 1800 printer. So basically what it does, it circulates the ink from dampers. These are called dampers. It circulates white ink from these dampers till this ink tank. So in general, in normal, with original printer, you will get this ink tank. You don't have to use these two containers. If you want to use ink circulations, you just have to remove two pipes from the two inputs, LC and LM, and you have to attach it to these two pipes. I'll demonstrate how is it done. So why do we need to circulate ink? So what happens is, these are desktop printers, so people are like they don't use it on regular basis, and white ink tends to settle. That is the reason you have to keep circulating that white ink. So here you can see, in a container you'll fill the inks. I'll attach it right now. I'll just show you how is it done, how you can do it on your own. Let's begin. I'll keep it aside. We will first open this cover, everything. Actually, you don't have to open this if you want to circulate, if you want to just attach this ink circulation. But I want to modify the printer, so I was thinking to remove these pivot wheels and all. So let's do not do that right now. So let's begin. Now we have to remove these two ink pipes coming out from LC and LM tray. These two pipes will fit on our ink circulation system here. Any pipe to any one of these. And after that, we will bridge this connection with Y connector. This is a Y connector that you will be getting along with your ink circulation system. You just have to bridge this connection. I'll show you how to do that. So first you have to be able to move this head. So थोड़ा सा आपको इसको center में लेना है. So we will plug the power cable and unplug it as soon as the printer starts. Plug the power cable, switch it on, hit this button, make sure you are ready to pull the power cable. So once your head starts moving, you can simply remove that plug so that your printer head is now unlocked. You can move this head so that easily you can remove these pipes, remove these screws. Okay, now quickly, this is a brand new printer, so video is getting lengthy actually, but let it be. People are buying new setups, or even if you are using old setups, you can use ink circulation system. So you just have to remove this pipe. See, these are two dampers you have to remove, two center dampers. Press it here, remove it, press it here, remove it. On these two dampers you have to add Y connector. So better if you can remove this cover and do it, but people are afraid of removing that cover also, so I'm gonna do it here itself. Okay, just cut these two pipes. Where is our Y connector? Y connector was missing. Okay, so you have a Y connector, just attach it like this. So it is what exactly it is doing, it is combining two dampers in one. So both dampers will have one input now. Okay, just make sure while fitting these Y connectors, you remove excess amount of pipe from these dampers. So actually you don't have to remove also, you don't even have to remove these dampers too. You can just cut the pipe and paste it, or connect the Y connectors without removing. Just थोड़ा अंडरस्टैंडिंग आपको ठीक से मिले इसलिए मैंने डैम्पर आपके रिमूव करके दिखा रहा हूँ. ऑलराइट, सो यहाँ तक इतना स्पेस हमारा बच रहा है, तो यू कैन कट दीज टू. इक्वली कट करना है बस. और इसको यू कैन जस्ट अटैच इट अगेन. So this was the only tricky part in this. I don't think so it's tricky, but yes, people do find it difficult to attach these systems. So alright. So right now, or what you can do is you can move it little left. So cut these. So that you will be able to fit it like this. Okay, so remove it, cut these pipes too, and move it little left. कट करो पाइप, और करो बस थोड़ा. Okay, just attach this plastic again. Okay, one more additional thing. I could make a video because I had to do it on my own. What if you cut it wrong way? We'll be giving you these pipes along with the ink circulator if required. Otherwise, you can use the same pipe and just see how we have fixed it. So okay, so your Y connector should be at least 3 inch or at least 2 inch away from this plastic, this black plastic end. It has to be at least 1 inch 2 inch away from this end so that you can fix this tape. All right, if you feel that there is some additional bulge or additional pipe in here, you can just pull these pipes and fix it. All right, so this is how you have to fix ink circulator Y connector. So I'll close this cap now. Actually it is not required to close this, but yes, we'll try if you can close this cap. So just close it. That's it. Y connector fixing work is done. Now we have to take out these two input pipes. So these are two dampers of white. We have to remove these two pipes from here and we have to attach these pipes to ink circulation system. So let's start. Okay, remove all the screws. Make sure while again fitting it, you have to add all the screws. So simplest DIY for ink circulation. See the brightness of the print. This is actually not white. This is grayish shade of sky blue only. White you can see here. And this we have printed a year back. I have tried wearing this t-shirt personally. I have washed it 2-3 times. Okay, now remove it. Take out two LC-LM pipes. Just keep it like this and check which tank is LC, which tank is LM. So these two tanks, we have to remove these pipes from these two tanks from here also. So previously, whatever ink circulation systems were available in the market, I was not recommending my customers to use those ink circulation systems because there were only stirrers in this. So see, stirring the ink is not a big deal. You can just check it and it's done. But exactly, it has to be a two-way circulation. Your ink circulation system should be able to perform circulation. It is not just stirring the inks. Okay, just do it. Remove these two pipes. Now we will not be using these two tanks. Pull these pipes from here also. Always make sure after 4-5 months of use or 6 months of use, make sure your bottom of your ink tank, the pipes are free enough, because DTF inks are thoda thicker, so you have to keep checking whether these pipes are not bent anywhere. ink is properly getting supplied. That's what you have to check. So if you can see, the center two pipes have been removed out like this. Okay, now fix it again. जैसे निकाला है वैसे ही वापस बिठाना है. जस्ट मेक श्योर ये फिट करते वक्त आप गलती ना करो. No, I can't do it. You do it. There should not be more pressure. Don't जो screws है वो ज़्यादा टाइट मत करना. Keep it little loose only. Okay, I'll not be showing you how to do a screw fitting thing. I'll just show you again. Now you can rotate this box. Okay, this is how it has to be. Okay, fix that bottom cap. Okay, so you can do screwing afterwards. Okay, I'll not show it right now. So we'll be giving you these connectors also. So what I did a mistake. I cut this pipe and the distance was not or the length was not good enough. So I just replaced that pipe with this pipe. Okay, just connect one connector to one pipe. This is another connector, and your ink circulation system installation is ready. So here we have connected this adapter. So how to use this ink circulation system? So in the morning or whenever you start your printer, before switching it on, you have to start your ink circulation system first. Okay, so start it and press this. So this is an ideal condition. It has to be. You can just hear some noise. This is a circulator. This is a motor that just stirs the ink. So it is right now making some noise. You can hear it, I guess. Okay, now once it starts stirring, we have to pump the inks out and pump the ink inside. Press it, keep it on for 5 seconds. 17 is a pumping speed. Switch it off. Again switch it on for 5 seconds. Again switch it off. I have not filled the inks. We are going to transport this printer, so we have not filled the inks. Normally you can see the inks inside these pipes. Again do it one more time for 5 4-5 seconds and that is it. So इतने टाइम तक आपकी यहाँ से इंक बाहर आके सर्कुलेट होके फिल्टर होके वापस इसको फीड की जाएगी. So that's it. This is how you can use your ink circulation system DIY. Thank you once again. Prabodh this side from Creative Digital Labs Private Limited. A name, a brand you can trust. Thank you.